We just got held on, and soaking wet.
Yeah.
Even with the umbrella, the wind.
Because the wind.
For a $5 order, I texted the customer.
Yeah.
Asked them to meet me at the door because it's hailing and raining. We waited a couple of minutes, getting soaked.
We should have waited longer in the truck.
There was like nobody come to the door, so I just leave it, take the picture, and we on our way. When we was coming here, the wind was bad, the sand was everywhere. And look. Daddy!
What? Sorry.
See the rainbow?
Yeah, I saw it on the other end.
I'm videoing.
Okay.
See the rainbow? We got us a rainbow. But it's raining real hard.
Well, when I turn, you're going to start getting wet.
I'm already wet from taking that food to those people. Look at that. Look at that. That hell hurt hitting me. And now I'm logging out. We're not dashing in this. Let the stronger, younger dashers have it tonight.
Yeah.
It's too wild for me. And that's sad because I used to be a storm chaser. And I would be out in this.
Why don't you get one more?
Ripping up and down because I don't want to fall.
I'll take it.
You're not allowed to take it. You gotta comply with the rules.
Well, I didn't know that was excluded. Sorry.
Of course, I carry the DoorDash food handlers.
Oh, yeah. Damn, they even thinking about that shit?
Yeah, they are.
Wow.
Look at the road.
Look at
Look at the road.
ice. That was the ice.
That's a hail. Yeah, that's a hail. Look at the road. Look.
Huh?
Ow. Look at the road. Oh, I miss when I was young, man. I'd be happy to be out in this stuff. Let the younger, stronger dashers have it tonight.